Hi all, I am Dr. Navneeta, physiotherapist. As we all know that COVID-19 causes infection in the respiratory system, leading to breathlessness and formation of mucus. In severe infection, it can even cause pneumonia. So this makes us crucial to take the necessary steps to strengthen the lungs and clear the air passage when suffering from COVID-19 and post-infection. One of the easiest ways to do it by performing lung and breathing exercises, which is also known as chest physiotherapy. Now I got so many calls regarding the breathing exercises, so I planned a video for this. So first I am here to explain all the breathing techniques, the process and everything. So now the first one is, I want to say, diaphragmatic breathing. Diaphragmatic breathing, also called abdominal breathing or belly breathing, which involves and engages the stomach muscles, which is known as abdominal muscles, and diaphragm. When breathing, it helps to slow down the heart rate and stabilize the blood pressure. So here I am. Let me show this how to do this. First, inhale through the nose and then exhale through the mouth slowly. Every time the inhalation should be, exhalation and inhalation should be in 1:2 ratio. Inhalation is 1 and exhalation is 2. That means count by 1 inhalation and count by 2 exhalation. So first, diaphragmatic breathing can be done in lying position on your back by keeping a pillow under the head and a pillow under the knees in lying position, or else if you are comfortable in sitting position, you can do it as well. So first, diaphragmatic breathing is done as inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth slowly. See, keep one hand above the belly button and other hand on the chest. Breathing. Breathe in. Now check the stomach muscles, diaphragm, everything, how it works out. Now next one. The next breathing technique is pursed lip breathing. This is very easiest way. This you can do in sitting position as well. Sit in right position, sit straight, back should be straight, and keep your hands on thighs. Then start breathing through the nose. Inhalation through the nose and exhalation by pursing your lips. Try to exhale out all the air inside the lungs. So this is pursed lip breathing. In pursed lip breathing, the lungs will be strengthened during this breathing. So next, after that, it comes active breathing techniques. In these active breathing techniques, 4 types will be there. The first one is controlled deep breathing, then it comes controlled breathing, and then it comes huffing and coughing. This helps you out when mucus there inside your lungs that can be easily expelled out. So I am showing now deep breathing. Sit straight and start deep breathing. Just keep your hands on abdomen and then start. Breathe in through the mouth, breathe out through the nose. And you can do it in either way. Breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the nose. This is deep breathing. After this, you can do controlled breathing. Inhale through the mouth and exhale through the nose. Hold your breathing in between for 3 to 4 seconds. Like this. Inhale through the mouth. Exhale through the nose. Again. Like this. Control your breathing. After this, it comes huffing. Huffing is nothing but forced expiration. With this, if any mucus is inside your lungs, it will come out. See. Now take deep breath. See. For me also it's trying to get, if I think little mucus for normal persons also it will be there, that will try to come out, then spit it out. And huffing can be done 3 to 4 times. Then after this comes coughing. Coughing should be done for only 3 times, it's enough. Remember all these active techniques, deep huffing, coughing should be done when mucus is there. If mucus is not there, you are not experiencing any mucus inside, no need to do huffing and coughing. See, now I will show you coughing technique. Inhale through your nose. Enough, 3 times. If you get any mucus, again spit it into a tissue paper and throw it in the dustbin. And along with these, I can show you another breathing techniques very easily performed in at home itself while home quarantine and recovery stage. Take half glass of water and take a straw and try to blow the bubbles. Do all these exercises as much as you can do if there is no tiredness. If you feel breathlessness, please avoid to do all these. Slowly you can do along with brisk walking, and you can do all these exercises which can make you more comfortable with your breathing, and there will be strengthening of the lungs. I will show, this is one of the easy technique. And singing, of course, singing is also you can do. You are staying in a room while quarantine period, isolation period, so you can nicely singing, though you are not a perfect singer, you can do practice singing also. That is also a good breathing technique. And humming, and after that take a tissue paper and try to blow it like this. Fold it in one hand. This is also a easy technique, and you can move away little more and you can try to blow it. And after this, balloon, you can blow a balloon, and lot more you can practice any of. And spirometer, you will get one spirometer any in medical shop, you can get it. 3 balls will be there. Now it's not available with me to show it. 3 balls will be available there, and take mouthpiece into your mouth and blow the air. The balls will be lifted out. There will be readings. Try to lift. 2 balls will be lifted normally. 3rd ball will you need more strength. No problem. Then after that spirometer. And one thing is, don't take stress. If there is stress, remember there will be breathlessness. So keep avoiding stress, tension, be strong, fight that, and you have to fight it. You entered the war and you have to fight it and try to win that fight and come out. So main thing, remove your stress, listen to music, keep calm, and do whatever you are comfortable with in doing it. I hope this video will help out lot people. Thank you for watching.